go.
Hi class, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at paired passages lesson. The materials you're going to be needing are a highlighter, your journal, and that can be online or physical as long as you send me links or evidence, and your passages from the last class, which are Looking to the Sky and the Iron Man Robot. Just go ahead and get that out while I read to you our TEK for the day, which is make intertextual links among and across texts, including other media, e.g. film, play, and provide textual evidence. The part we're going to be focusing on is intertextual links among and across text. So intertextual links just means, inter means between text. So we're making links between the two texts. So today, students will be able to analyze similarities and differences between paired passages using learned strategies. Analyze means to study. In Spanish, estudiar. Similarities and differences. So some things that are the same and some things that are different between paired passages using learned strategies. And those could be strategies that you're learning for the first time today. Now, most of you should remember them from last year, but if not, I'm going to go over them as if they're new. Let's ask ourselves a question to start off our lesson. What do you already know about analyzing paired passages? So in your journal, I want you to fill out the What I Know and What I Want to Know section of your KWL chart. So it's the first two sections here. If you need to download the chart again, you can. Or if you want to quickly sketch out just a little T chart, we're filling out the first two sections. What do you already know about paired passages? And what do you want to know? So keep that thought in your head as we transition to our clip. So the clip we're going to be watching will provide us information on the different types of text that can be paired. So our instructions for viewing this clip are based on the information provided in the clip. Name two types of text that can be paired. And if you're not sure how to start that answer off, I provided you with the sentence stem. Two types of text that can be paired are. Let's go ahead and start our video.
Today, I am going to teach you how to read paired text. Paired texts are passages that have a connection. Why should we practice reading these? When readers read two texts that have a connection, they can compare and contrast ideas.
So comparing and contrast goes back to what I was saying earlier. Similarities and differences, like in a Venn diagram.
Presented in each text. Comparing and contrasting is good for your brain. Comparing and contrasting helps learners remember information and transfer understanding between subjects and ideas. This flexible thinking helps us synthesize ideas and use information in new ways. Readers can compare and contrast two different fiction pieces or two different nonfiction.
So you can compare and contrast two different fiction, two different nonfiction.
You can also compare a fiction piece with a nonfiction piece, or fiction and nonfiction to a video or multimedia text.
Video or multimedia text. So now that we've gone over what our options are, I'd like you to head back to that sentence stem so we can fill it out. Two types of text that can be paired are. And whatever you'd like to put in as your answer choice. So just as a reminder, we've already read the instructions for passage 1, we've annotated the text, and we've identified any images. And for passage 2, we did the same. We read the instructions, annotated the text, and identified any images in our past lesson. So now we're going to go over to the answer choices, and you always read the instructions first. It says use Looking to the Sky and the Iron Man Robot to answer questions 31 through 34. So just 4 questions about these paired passages. Then fill in the answers on your answer document. So the strategies we're going over are differences. If they ask for differences between the paired passages, we're going to do true or false. If they're asking for similarities between the passages, we're doing yes or no. So here's our first example. I do. Follow along as I model finding the answer for number 31 using the differences strategy. So, which of the following is a major difference between Smartbird and Looking to the Sky and Mystery Volta and the Iron Man robot? We see differences, so we made our little chart. And to keep ourselves organized, number 1 is going to be Looking to the Sky, and number 2 is going to be the Iron Man robot. Smartbird uses energy in a resourceful way, while Mystery Volta uses more energy than is necessary. True and false. Smartbird does not rely on batteries to function, while Mystery Volta relies solely on batteries to function. False and true. Smartbird was invented to find more efficient ways of using energy in the future, while Mystery Volta was invented to demonstrate the efficiency of a current energy source. While both of those are true, we're still going to check D, which says Smartbird was invented by one person, while Mystery Volta was developed by a small team of company employees. And those are both false. So let's go ahead and mark our answer choice, which is C. Now, let's do one together as a group, as a class. That means if you have any questions, you're able to yell out, send me a message, just jump in anytime. So let's identify the question. Is it difference or similarity? And we see one way Looking to the Sky and the Iron Man robot are similar is that they both. So we're gonna make the same chart as last time, keeping the same organization of 1 and 2, except this time it's F, G, H, and J. Discuss ideas that have been explored through history. That's yes and no. Imply that robots will continue to be improved upon in the future. Yes and yes, but we always double check. Describe inventors who came up with an idea to help their company. No and no. And stress that electronics are common in modern life. Yes and no. So we're gonna mark our answer choice of G. Now, what I'd like you to do is use strategies that I just taught to complete questions 33 and 34. If you're in the yellow group, you're welcome to do this independently, but you can always message me if you need assistance. If you're in the green group, you can work independently, or you can work with a partner if you need help. So if you get stuck, you can message a partner. Just let me know who you're working with. And if you're in the red group, I will be checking in with each and every one of you over our 15 minutes. Now, if you need more time, you're more than welcome to it. And you know who you are. If you need to just message me and say 5 more minutes, teacher. It's okay. And when you're done at your own pace, you can fill out the what I learned in your journal. And on Friday, when I go over the journal check, I'll see what we need to go over, if anything, or if we had any misunderstandings. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I'm right here.